How to fix camera not focusing issue in iOS 18. So let's start the video. First of all, open camera app and then move away the object from camera. Your camera focusing will be work properly, and if it doesn't work, then press and hold on object. Your autofocus will be locked and then focusing will be work properly. If it doesn't work, then open and close camera 2 to 3 times. After open and close camera 2 to 3 times, your problem will be fixed. And if it doesn't fix, then restart your iPhone. For restart your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. And slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone, and after restarting your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. And if it doesn't fix, then open settings and scroll down and click on general and click on software update, and here you can check your iOS latest version will be updated or not. It doesn't update, then update it. After updating latest iOS version, your problem will be fixed. And after that it will not be fixed, then open settings and click on general and scroll down last, and here you can see the option transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it and click on reset and reset all settings. Here you can enter your passcode to reset all the settings, and here you confirm to reset all the settings. If you want to reset all the settings, then click this button, reset all settings. It will be reset all your iPhone settings, but never destroy another data like photos, videos and other data. It will only destroy settings. After resetting your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.